Zoe and I am the owner and founder of Ziel Essence, all natural skincare and aromatherapy company. Today we're going to make a pit detox. The benefit of a pit detox is to help remove and excess or reduce excess bacteria. The reason why pits can stink sometimes is because bacteria grow under the armpit and they feed off the water and the sodium that's released from perspiration. So these can happen sometimes when we are going through an emotional state or menstruation, and we can have excess perspiration and then the bacteria grow and feed from the perspiration. So today we're going to use some all natural ingredients and some pretty simple ingredients that you can find at your local health food store or on suppliers of clay or salt. And we're also going to load up onto the website a little DIY kit for you guys if you're struggling to find those ingredients that you can get directly through us. It's not something we normally do, but for this purpose we're going to load it up onto the website, make it easy for you, have it all measured out so that you can create your own pit detox at home. Okay, so we're going to go through the ingredients of what is included in a pit detox and a couple of their benefits. So first of all, we're going to use bentonite clay. So clay in general helps to draw out the impurities in the body, both internally and externally. So there are some clays that you can drink to help cleanse the body and the system of toxins. But today we're going to use bentonite clay to help draw out the toxins from the skin and under the armpits. Also going to use some aluminium-free organic bicarbonate soda. So bicarb helps to cleanse the skin and help to kill the excess bacteria growth. We're going to use some distilled water. Now, if you can't get access to distilled water, I suggest you use bottled water. What we want to do is we don't want to introduce any more contaminants into the skin. We want to help cleanse the skin of that. So we use distilled water because it has gone through a steam distillation process to help remove the contaminants. We're also going to use apple cider vinegar. The apple cider vinegar, again, is excellent internally and externally, but for the purpose of the pit detox today, we're going to use it to help cleanse the skin and balance the pH level. We're also going to use some tea tree essential oil. Most times when I'm using any kind of essential oil for the skin, I always opt for organic. We sell both tea tree and organic tea tree on our website. And the benefit, there's so many benefits to essential oils and tea tree essential oil, but today for the purpose of the pit detox, we're going to use it as an antibacterial to help reduce the bacteria under the armpits. And then you want to use a spoon that is not metal, just so that it doesn't act against the clay, because sometimes they can actually sort of mess with the chemical makeup of clay. So you always want to use a plastic or a wooden spoon just in case. And I've got a little pot here to add all the ingredients for mixing. Okay, so let's get started. So you want about 4 teaspoons of bentonite clay. So we're going to add that to the pot. And you want about 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda. So in that goes. And then you just want to gently and slowly mix the 2 ingredients together. Just making sure you get the bicarb and clay completely combined. Okay, so once you've done that, you can add your water to your vinegar and give it a bit of a stir. Then you want to slowly add the water and the vinegar mixed together. Now you want to do this really slowly because the water can actually activate the bicarb, which is completely fine because we're not making a bath bomb, but we want to make sure you can probably hear that fizzing. Okay, so it's okay that it fizzes. It will calm down. And I'll just show you here. So we're getting to a really beautiful, lovely paste. So you just want to keep stirring until, just gently, until you've got all the lumps out. So you get to a beautiful consistency like that. Now it does have a bit of a vinegary smell because of the apple cider vinegar, but that's okay. So then you want to take 4 drops of your tea tree essential oil, and be careful because you do want to just put 4 drops in. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then just stir that. Now once you've got your paste, I'll just show you one more time. So fairly simple and easy to make. So once you've got your paste, you then want to apply it to your underarms. Now it's really important that you do this without any deodorant on your underarms or soap or moisturizer. You want it completely clean. So if you can do it first thing in the morning, or wash under your underarms first and then apply. And then all you do is you just apply the Pit Detox directly to your underarms on both sides. Just wait a couple of minutes, maybe 5, and then rinse off. Then you can use, if you want, underneath a gentle rose water or floral water of some kind, like chamomile water, to have a soothing action. But don't leave it on too long. You don't want it on too long. You don't want to dry the skin out. That's not our aim here. Our aim here is just to neutralize the bacteria so that we can help reduce the smell. So in our kit, in the kit that we are going to load up onto the website, you are going to get 3 Pit Detoxes out of this. We're going to give you the bentonite clay, the aluminium-free bicarb soda. You'll get 2 bottles of distilled water, because that is probably one of the hardest parts to come across. And you will also have an option to add in the essential oil, and we'll package that up for you. You'll also get one of our spoons as well, one of the wooden spoons as well, and the instructions on how to actually make the Pit Detox. So if you have any questions, please pop them in the comments below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.